Hi, if you're searching online what is an API and understood nothing, then you are at the right place. API stands for Application Programming Interface. Let's say you are at the restaurant and you want to eat pizza. Then you look at the menu and tell the waiter which pizza you want to eat. That waiter will take your order to the restaurant's kitchen, and after some time he will bring your pizza at your table. So in this case, the waiter is our API and he is taking our request and telling the system, means kitchen, what we want, and then giving us a response with our pizza. It was so simple, right? Now let's take a look on real world examples. In most of the websites, you'll see this option, sign up with Google. These websites are using Sign Up with Google API, which is provided by the Google, to sign up on 1 or 2 clicks. Another such example is Google Maps in so many smartphone applications. In simple words, we don't code everything, we use APIs. If you found this video informative, then don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with your friends, and stay tuned for more systematic and simple explanations. Bye.